In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animated text in Elementor. We'll start right inside your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the Elementor option in that list. Hover your mouse over it, and from the options that appear, choose the editor. This will open the Elementor dashboard within WordPress. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see an option called Edit Site. Go ahead and click that so you can start editing your page or template with Elementor. When the Elementor editor loads, you'll notice a sidebar on the left. This is where all of your widgets live. Scroll through this list or use the search bar to find the widget called Animated Headline. Once you see it, click and drag it onto the area of the page where you want your animated text to appear. As soon as you drop it in place, the widget will be added to your page and the left panel will automatically update to show all the settings for the animated headline. Now it's time to configure how your text will animate. First, choose the animation style. You'll see options such as highlighted or rotating text. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on the highlighted style, but keep in mind that rotating text has very similar settings, with just a few small differences. Under the content settings, you'll see fields for before text, highlighted text, and after text. The before text is what appears before the animated or highlighted part. The highlighted text is the portion that will actually be animated, and the after text appears right after it. Type your desired phrases into each of these fields, and watch the live preview to make sure everything reads smoothly. Below those fields, you can fine-tune how the animation behaves. You can choose whether the animation should loop continuously or play just once. You can also adjust the duration to control how quickly the animation plays and set a delay if you want it to start a bit later. There's also an option to add a link, so clicking the animated text can take visitors to another page or section, and you can change the HTML tag if you want it to be, for example, a heading or a paragraph for better structure and SEO. If you want to refine the look further, switch to the Style tab in the left panel. Here you can customize typography, colors, spacing, and other visual details. For even more control, open the Advanced tab to adjust margins, padding, motion effects, and responsive settings. When you're happy with how everything looks and behaves, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Update if you're editing an existing page, or Publish if this is a new page. Your animated text is now live on your site, and you're all set.